Hi Geminis, welcome back to my channel SA Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading. Follow me on Instagram, SASHELLS Shells Running. Supposed to be starting right from 16th of August, but it is from 17th of August 2021 and beyond. Geminis, I saw something very precious. And it was like I started laughing. Why? Because I saw daisies, and daisies were running, as if like daisies were wearing skirts, and they were having legs. Like, of course, they're green leaves and everything in their hands. It's like a fantasy situation here, like a fairy world, and they were running. Okay, and they told me that it is going to be the start of the beginning of something beautiful in your life. Okay, this is good new beginning, possible this is birth. Okay, it's something when it is fresh, when the birth of someone. So baby, possible, some of you, I don't know who is listening because so many Geminis are there. These are general vibes, guys. So after a lot of patience, perseverance, if that makes sense, or like you people being enduring something, and I feel this is birth of someone. So actually you're giving birth, possible. You are becoming the Empress. You are in your power. You're in your new role. So this is the formation of like motherhood for some of you. Again, there is new beginning. I feel certain kind of celebration, new love, assurance, and this is like maybe when we say new beginning, okay, that does come with assurance. If I see daisies, and daisies is a sign of like beauty. I also see like long time, like long term. Okay, it's not light, like okay, hi, and we're going to meet again tomorrow and we don't meet. No, this is all season kind of, like for a biggest season of your life. It's not going to change as per the next season. When the season changes, the love will not change. It's going to grow strong. That kind of, not a seasonal love, but a long time love. Okay, now let's start. I feel it's irresistible energy. Someone is about to make sure, confess, commit, and this is what they really have in heart. Okay, they cannot stand it. They cannot keep it in their heart any longer, anymore. And this is also your energy, like it's going to be out and about. Jack of Page of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibes. So there may be signs, but I feel it's your energy, and it's like it's going to be unleashed. It's going to be discussed. Irresistible energy. I cannot keep it in my heart. Okay. Wait is over. Okay. I feel wait is over. 7 of Pentacles. Very calm, very patient love, and it's going to stay. Okay. It's not something again I have to repeat it. Hi, I'm going to meet you tomorrow, and they don't meet or they don't call. This energy is all about you people are getting to know each other on a higher vibration. That's all I can say. Okay, we need more light. Okay, we need more light. So here you go. So this is going to be the right choice, and it's no longer confusing. You people are connecting very well. Now it's going to be high time of realizations. And if I see Daisy, it's about that you should have known a long time, back then, that this person loves me. But this time it's going to be released to you. I have something in mind, and that's why I got distracted. This is also the story of, I suppose, Daisy is connected with something of a storyline is there, which is connected with the other woman energy. Okay, so maybe here you stopped something, and then it became irresistible for certain energy, and you waited patiently here, and the comeback was here. Okay, or the comeback is here. So in your life, if it is connected with something new in your life, definitely it is the startup of like you are cutting the ties off with someone who had other person, maybe other woman, other man, and now you are having your own set frequency. Okay, now because your daisies are running, dancing, it's your celebration time. It's something that you are winning over, you're overcoming something. Okay, that's it. Can you tell us for Geminis? Can you tell us for Geminis? Okay, It's also you or your patience is being checked, and that's why you hardly speak with someone, or you're not going to speak with them unless and until they make things right towards you. Now this may be again another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Okay, this may be your own vibe. You're in your power. When I say in your power means if this is the case of other women or other man, this is what you're going to do. Strict rules will be written and will be followed by you. You are entering in some phase soon, or you have entered in the next phase of your life soon. Okay, it's kind of energy, your updated version. Let me see more. There's a highlight, I see highlight. Okay, maybe this is something very important, very close to you. 10 of Cups energy, your relationship, your home, whatever it is, it's like high time. There is some celebration. I see flowers around you, flowers being given to you, some celebration, some congratulations, possible new relationship, possible you are entering into motherhood because of female energy, possible that kind of energy. Some celebration is here. A lot of people are there around you blessing you. Okay, but let me tell you, something also is coming from here of decision that is there. You're keeping patience regarding that. You're just living in this moment. You complete this and then you will take certain decision. Maybe this 5 of Wands energy, Geminis. This may be the vibe of like something that you disagree with the person and you're just chalking out certain plan. But in your now, you're very happy. Whatever reason it is something that is making you happy. This is for some cases, again, daisies, confrontation, confirmation, confession, engagement, celebration, get together, or you are having a baby shower here. Okay, possible. Yes, you are having that. So you have 2 of Wands energy and you have King of Swords energy. That is coming in your future. I'm hearing to return or not to return, to do it or not to do it. Something will be coming in your future. Okay, you might be pairing up with again male energy here, possible, or female energy here, however it fits you. Otherwise just let it pass. King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and this is also your energy, your decision in the future. 2 of Wands energy, to do or not to do, or what to do. Planning and preparation is highlighted here. Something is highlighted, love, relationship, decision. Okay, daisies, definitely. Let's see what is coming in your future. They also have something in mind, what your decision will be. I'm also hearing, I am going to be where my love is, like, or I am being loved. I apologize, there's a card that flipped inside. Let me see. Look. So this is about ring. So for some cases, going to be engagement, celebration, get together, close people around you giving you flowers, congratulations. Or this is also about already relationship. My means you're married to someone, you are committed to someone. If this is about giving birth, child energy, then again this is connected with this relationship. I also see like something is going to be wish fulfillment here, and for some it's like engagement, wish fulfillment, person coming in your life, daisies dancing, everything is so beautiful. But for some this is something connected with was it magical what happened, my wish came true, but how it came true. Okay, be responsible for your karma, how you're asking for the wish to be fulfilled. Okay, in your future it's all about your current relationship, decisions here with the person, how it's going to go. Okay, because I feel like this energy somehow is very cold. I don't know who, or this may be someone you never thought, and you are getting into engagement here. Maybe this is your friend. Okay, this is your, I don't know, because they're saying this is your, okay, they're saying this is your friend. Someone is and was your friend, and now you're getting into something that you never thought of. Big decision. Okay, and if this is your friend who is helping you out in your relationship issues or situations, so this goes for advice and counseling as well. There may be a Leo as well. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, you have something connected with that you are thinking, but in your present you are just letting it stay at bay for some time because there is some other reason of happiness. But this sadness is connected with the relationship is here, like, you know, someone is checking your patience. Be quiet kind of energy, but you should not. But you are, and you should not. So maybe you are coming from that place, okay? Expecting happily ever after. But with this sadness, there is something coming along. So yes, there is something that you have reason to celebrate. But again, this is Five of Cups. On what basis you are getting that happiness, okay? Let's see. Look, the Lovers, choices. Maybe your lover is having a choice, your husband, your wife, or someone is involved with someone you already know, the bond they have. If that's not the case, it's about your happiness with this person. And looking away, that what? Or maybe your person is looking away. 11:11 recording time. And Queen of Swords, resilience. You have to take certain decision regarding this, and it is coming in the future. Okay? Maybe sadness or disappointment is connected with your current relationship. Okay? Possible. However, you have certain decisions to make. What is coming in the future? It is connected with the ring. Okay? Some of you are aware that they have someone or they had someone for like a longest time here, but they're saying that I've done the card off and all. Then you are thinking about whether to accept it or not. In the future, there's the star moment coming, and with the World, this is about unexpected closure of something as well for some of you. You have the Tower moment, which is destruction. So whatever is destroying you inside, giving you sadness, disappointment, you are going in for this change. And this is about your biggest 12/12 recording time. This is going to be biggest decision or your rough journey. Okay, it's also about you are trying to curb the fire that is inside. So it's about anger or agitation, aggression as well. But you are going through ocean, okay, and this is going to be your tough journey, yes, with the fact that you have to go through that and you need to close that with the World, regeneration. So some of you are going through destructive forces or destruction of possible relationship, unexpected changes. Maybe you just gave birth, again, possible. If you're female energy listening, you have a child or you have children, or one or two, it depends. I cannot tell you that exactly because we just have young energies as well here. But with this destruction, you are coming out of that for the regeneration. But I feel this is what is in the future. Like when you go with this, you're going to have regeneration. So some of you are closing these circles, closing the chapters after you are done with something here. Your decision depends upon this. And going to cross. Some of you are leaving the place not to return, never to return, okay? And this was cracking up, lightning effect. And even this is going to come as a surprise for certain someone. Some of you are not accepting this. You wanted this, but you came to know something about. And you are not going that way. Like it is the energy of like you're choosing something that was supposed to be chosen by you way back. But you never did, okay? Now you're going to do. You should have done this, you never did. But now you're going to do. The World. And here I feel like this is something opening new phase, regeneration. And it is also next generation. Maybe we are talking about birth of your life or birth of a child. Like struggle time or hard times, okay? But you are having this energy of high intuition with the High Priestess. Your intuition is working great, and you know that if this doesn't work, something else is on the other side for me, okay? And it's going to be. And look, when there's destruction, there's on the other side regeneration, opportunity, chance, better chances. I hope it's going to help you guys. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.